So, remember that rushing water I was telling you about? That area that used to be part of the river. Found it. And come up here too. It a little bit closer. Ah, beautiful. Might be too bright for my camera. There we go. That's where that sound was coming from. You can see up over into the mountainous areas in the distance, and then boom, there's the forest we were just in when I was videotaping earlier. Let's see if I can get better video down here in a little. Yeah. There you go. Water. I'm videotaping water. And next